Okay guys, so I wanted to come back on here and do a post disassembly video. Now on this slide here, I mean, God, it's not going to show up in camera, but the closest thing, any marking I can find here, and it's going to be, man, I lost it. Okay, so kind of like where my thumb is, there's a little casting mark, and man, it's not going to show up on camera, but it's like right in here. It looks like an 8. I have no idea what that means on the slide. I can't find any other markings on the inside of it. So now what I did find in some quick research on this barrel here is, and this might even be hard to read on camera, so bear with me. There's, I don't even know if I'm gonna get my camera to be able to focus here. But, so anyway, from what I found, it's a, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get it to focus, but there's like right here, there's a, right here on the barrel, it says 45 auto, 77-91193, and then a 90 underneath that. And like, as I said, you know, it's not gonna show up here, but, and then there's an M on one side, and then an M and a P. And what I found out that is it's a post World War II government contract barrel. So it has like a chrome line bore and chamber, and I mean, you can definitely tell that this has that. You know, it's I'm sorry for the lighting, guys, but that's basically, you know, what's going on with this. So again, I have no idea what year this slide was made, but per my last video with the discoloration on here and the different metals and stuff, you know, what that has to do with the hardness. So that's telling me that, you know, the period correct. It's you know, obviously made in the 40s or whatnot. So I mean, is it the same as my 1945 slide here? I don't know, you know, but everything is period correct except for the barrel. So this barrel is obviously, you know, made after the war. So as you guys all know, these are mix masters. But anyway, just a short video. That's what I've come up with my research and everything. So anyway, thanks for watching.